don't be too nice. Recently, Ned was in a car accident. Since his car had to be repaired at the repair shop for quite a while, he was forced to take the train to go to work. At the station, he found an old beggar. Out of compassion, he gave some money to the old beggar. The beggar was very grateful for Ned's gift. The next day, he found the beggar again. This time, Ned invited the beggar to have lunch together. While eating, he asked, "Why are you like this?" The beggar replied, "For helping people." Ned was confused by the old beggar's answer. "In the past, I used to help people around me," said the old beggar. "Whether it's right or wrong, I always try to help people. Until without realizing I have wasted my time and money." Ned asked, "You regret it?" The old beggar replied, "No. It's just that I was sad when the people I helped before didn't want to help me when I needed help. Son, I'll give you one piece of advice. It is better to invite people in distress to your house than to distribute bricks when you build your own house," said the beggar. Ned understood the words and thanked him for the advice. Put yourself first before helping others. Don't force yourself to help people, because not everyone will repay your kindness. There is a saying from China that reads, "Too much of a good thing is a bad thing." In this case, the case is helping people. Helping is indeed a good thing, but if you don't see the consequences for yourself, then the results will be bad. Thank you for watching.